और जब भी उनसे सीखती थी तो मैं ये सोचती थी कि कितना अच्छा हो कि बहुत सारे लोगों को इनसे सीखने मिले, क्योंकि इनके पास जो आर्ट है, the art they have is so rare. It comes once in a millennium, once in a while. And if people can get access to that kind of talent, that kind of teaching, this world would be a wonderful place. Also, मैं इतने साल से डांस कर रही हूँ, लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, आप आज तक ऐसी ही लगती हैं, आप अच्छी दिखती हैं, आप फिट रहती हैं, और मेरा जवाब एक ही होता है, डांस। डांस ये सिर्फ आपके शरीर के लिए नहीं, आपके स्पिरिट के लिए, आपके स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ के लिए, एक हैप्पीनेस के लिए बहुत अच्छा जरिया है। All these things were going on in my head, और मैंने ऐसे ही डिनर टेबल पे एक बार एक बात छेड़ी with my husband. मैंने कहा कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि डांस ये हम हर घर में, इस दुनिया में हर घर में ले जाए। So he looked at me quizzically, और उन्होंने कहा क्यों नहीं हो सकता, हो सकता है। And that's when I brightened and I said, how can we do this? कैसे possible हो सकता है? तो जो उन्होंने कहा, जो उन्होंने किया उसके बाद, उसका नतीजा है डांस विद माधुरी, और उसका नतीजा है कि आज आप सब यहाँ आए हैं for the launch. I don't know how, you don't know how excited I am. मतलब अंदर there's popcorn inside me right now. I'm just so thankful to God, to my husband, to my family, जो हमेशा उन्होंने मुझे support किया है with whatever I did. So without much ado, I would like to call on stage my better half, and I mean it, my better half, Dr. Nene, please.
So thank you very much for coming. It's an absolute honor and pleasure to be here. मेरा हिंदी बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं मराठी बोल सकता है।
नहीं, you can talk in English. That's
Okay.
fine. They understand.
Everyone okay with that? So, you know, I came to India with the vision that we could change how people get health care. And I wanted to scale medicine to 7 billion people. As you know, I'm the mystery man in her life who you've heard a lot about, but don't know anything about. And so I want to give you a brief glimpse into how this was born and how this developed. I had grown up in the US. My parents had immigrated there in '63, and I'd been given computers when I was young. I learned how to program, and then my parents said, you must be a doctor or engineer or we won't pay. And so being the dutiful son, I became a doctor and a heart surgeon. I practiced for a long time. The problem was I couldn't scale what I did, meaning no matter how hard I tried, I could only operate on 350 to 500 people in a year. And so I thought maybe if we could take my previous avatar of a software entrepreneur and add that to my present avatar of a heart surgeon, and then take some of her media talent and bring those together, we could create a platform which could empower patients and scale doctors and close the gap. India was at a time where there's 1.25 billion people and 1.6 million doctors. So we came in 2011 to do that and started building these systems. As you know, 900 million people have access to television and another 900 million to feature phones, and now about 200 or 350 million to internet. One night my wife said to me, you know, culture is withering, and what is seen in art for the sake of art is not seen any longer. She's like, if I could teach this, I could build the passion. The other thing is there's so many people with genius out there, and the problem is they don't have access to the proper tools to develop that genius. She said, if I could teach, then I could change that. I said, well, you're facing the same problems, that we can't scale what you do. If you teach in one classroom, you can only get to 30 people, right? And instead, what I said is, let me put a team on it in our company and see if we can develop something which would allow you to scale your reach. And this was in late November of 2012. By February of 2013, we developed something called Dance with Madhuri. And it was an online, gamified, socialized dance academy. And for me, learning has to be fun. Too often, they rap you on the knuckles, say, you must learn for your SSC result and whatnot. And what happens is we don't push people to the road for lifelong learning. So I wanted to develop systems which would actually be fun and social. And so you would learn because you wanted to. The second thing is I wanted something which would keep you fit. I'm a heart surgeon, and so I'll get to that in a second, but I'd put a heart rate monitor on her during one of her dancer-sized workouts, and she had lost 400 calories in 15 minutes. And we put that on our YouTube channels, and we found out that everyone else wanted to do the same thing, and they were loving it. I thought about that for a second. What would you rather do? Would you rather be on a treadmill, or would you rather watch a beautiful woman goading you to work out? It's pretty obvious, right? And then lastly, the most important thing is unite, bringing everyone together on one platform, making all of the artists and the institutes into a global village for culture, which ebbs and tides and thrives, and trying to allow these people to not only learn and stay fit, but to create portfolios for themselves and potentially get jobs, creating a marketplace for them, essentially. And so we didn't know if this would work. This was in 2013, and we had some early indicators. On day of launch, our Amazon servers crashed because of traffic problems. And then this is what happened. Cue the video. From that was that not only would people be able to learn this skill remotely, but they were willing to upload their videos and become part of the experience. And what our goal was to scale everything. The other thing we learned is that it's been talked about, and there's been a lot of successes across the planet on various corporations which have a lot of IT and whatnot. At the center of it are Indians. This is the ultimate Make in India project. As you saw, we went to 206 countries, and only 50% of our users were actually from India, 50% were from abroad. So imagine that. We built it here and built it with everyone there. That led us to the next conclusion, that this was something which we could do well, and that everyone could join hands together and build something which would have value for the world. And as a culture, we could show our own colors and move forward. But in doing that, we had to bring together many different people. And it was amazing to me how everyone reached out and joined us. And so I'd like to show you a behind the scenes of our teams, who I'm so thankful for, whether it be our choreographers in the front row, the choreographers in the second row, the dance strategy teams, my company teams, the gurus, the production houses, as well as all of the others. I can't thank them enough, and this is their project. They own it, not me, not Madhuri, but the world does, and this is where we make a change. So I'd like to show you a behind-the-scenes video, which I think will explain to you how cohesive this team was. Cue the video. So I hope you enjoyed that, because I had a tremendous experience working with all of the family after a while, and you generate something which is brand new. This is a product demonstration, so with that, I present to you the new Dance with Madhuri, which we've scaled, now has 93 classes, 50 plus hours of content, 1,800 lessons. One thing I thought about is, when television came, everyone wondered how they would fit all these amazing personalities into a box. And when you see this video, you wonder, how do you present dancing on this level, with these personalities, with these people, into your phone? So I'm going to show you how that's done. Cue the video. So I want to thank you for your attention, and I want to tell you that the journey only begins now, because everyone has access to learning. Now imagine if we take this platform and build it into other areas. I won't tell you much more about that. But for dance, this will hopefully be a game changer and bring all of us together and use it as a metaphor for life, and learn, move, and unite. Thank you very much. So there's one real thing when you do something like this, and I've said it all before, the credit goes to the team. There's so many talented people in this room, and every one of you has sparks of genius in them. We want to thank some of the people who were with us from the start and who have led us along this journey. One comment I was going to make is RoboSoft, one of our partners for technology, did an outstanding job. They also did the Doom game and some of the other things. But like them, there were so many others. And I'd like to invite some of our gurus so you can meet them, as well as people, mentors who have been fundamental along both of our courses. So, Sarojji, would you join us please on stage? Give a hand to Sarojji. Subhashji, please join us. Terrence, would you join us, please?
Thank you. Before that, I'd like Subhashji to say a few words. It's an honor to have you.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you, Madhuri. This moment is very precious and very important for me, Saroj, Jackie, all of us when we really started our career together. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है इस कला में या इस इंडस्ट्री में काम ढूंढना, फिर काम के बाद अच्छा काम करना, फिर अच्छे काम के बाद सफलता मिलना, फिर सफलता के बाद और सफलता मिलना। जब सब कुछ मिल जाए उसको फिर लोगों में बांट देना। जो लोगों में बांट देना है वो सबसे बड़ा बखान है। And I am proud of it, and I must express my happy congratulations to Ram for supporting Madhuri, for distributing her talent to the millions of the people all over the world, you see. And I'm proud of Madhuri, finally she has become a guru once upon a time when she was Shishya. Yes, you see. And I'm really proud of this moment, and I wish all the best, my blessings, my good wishes, Madhuri. We are there for you. हम सब लोगों को बड़ा होने के बाद एक फिल्म स्कूल, म्यूजिक स्कूल, डांस स्कूल जरूर खोलना चाहिए. और मैं अपने दूसरे शिष्यों से भी कहूँगा कि जैकी श्रॉफ हैं, अनिल कपूर हैं, अनुपम खेर ने तो एक्टिंग स्कूल खोल दिया है, माधुरी ने भी अभी डांसिंग खोल दिया है. अनिल कपूर को मैं चाहूँगा कि वो एक स्पा खोलें, फिटनेस का स्कूल खोलें, कि हाउ टू बी यंग एट द एज ऑफ लस 60. एंड जैकी श्रॉफ से मैं डिमांड करूँगा कि ये एक अच्छे कार डीलर और मोटरसाइकिल की एक नई इजाद करें, ताकि हमारे रॉक स्टार हर आदमी अपने मोटरसाइकिल भी आए, बाप भी आए, बेटा भी आए, पोता भी आए. देखो अभी हम सब लोग और स्कूल खोलेंगे और आपके सबके आशीर्वाद चाहिए. लेकिन हमारे सबके गुरु जो हैं वो हमारी सरोज जी हैं. सरोज जी ने हमारा बहुत साथ दिया है, एंड सरोज जी इज ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू हर. I must share one small moment with you because since I'm here and I'm emotional about it. I remember when we signed Madhuri for UNCUT, and I was making film Karma. So we started one film called Uttar Dakshi with Jackie and Rajnikant. So she was casted as a leading lady there. तो सरोज जी एक डांस पिक्चराइज करने के लिए उस पिक्चर के my chief assistant was directing that. तो मद्रास गई थी, चेन्नई जब तक मद्रास था. तो इन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन किया कि आप आइए इधर, मेरी शूटिंग चल रही है और ये पिक्चराइज करनी थी माधुरी के ऊपर गाना. ये शायद माधुरी जी का पहला एक फुल फ्लैश फिल्म का गाना होगा जो कि सरोज जी के स्टाइल से था. तो जब मैं पहुंचा तो सरोज जी ने कहा कि देखो शी इज़ फीलिंग वेरी टफ टू डू बॉलीवुड डांस. तो आई नो शी हैज़ डन कथक. तो मैं सेट पर गया तो मैंने देखा कि माधुरी बेचारी पूरी कोशिश कर रही है सरोज के हवा लेने के लिए, कभी यूँ कभी यूँ. तो मैंने बोला माधुरी व्हाट इज प्रॉब्लम. सुभाष जी मैं ना बॉलीवुड की डांसेस से कस्टम नहीं हूँ, मुझे ये सब आता नहीं है, ये क्या हो रहा है, होठ यूँ करो, आँख यूँ करो, ये दबाओ. मैंने बोला देखो यही बॉलीवुड डांस है, सिर्फ सरोज जी के बदन को मत देखना, उनके चेहरे को देखो और उनकी आंखों से देखो. डांस सिर्फ आंख से और स्माइल से होगा. उसके बाद इस लड़की ने हम सबको, मुझे और सरोज दोनों को परेशान किया जब हमने राम लखन बनाई और जब उठ के इसने डांस किया. वी बोथ वर शॉक्ड कि इसने कैसे इतना बड़ा सीख लिया. एंड दैट इज हर डेडिकेशन एंड पैशन एंड कमिटमेंट. दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन सी दैट शी. थैंक यू एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू. सरोज जी आप जरूर कुछ बोलिए, मेरी तारीफ कीजिए, मेरी तारीफ कीजिए.
आप तो हैं ही अच्छे, वो भी अच्छी हैं और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
So we'll open up the floor. I wanted to make one comment to you. This is an initiative in that we want to give access to everyone to learn the passion for dance and culture. And the one thing I'm going to say to you is our goal is to keep this free for the user forever. Now you're going to say to me, how can you do that? There's no value if you have it for free. I'll ask you, have you ever been charged for Facebook? And does it work for you? So the idea is to take this to the world. All of us believe that we can build this community together, one brick by one brick, by one dance step by one dance step, and we can change the world. That's why we're here.
Okay, now you can ask your questions. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर. Yes?
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Vijay Shankar from the media and also a classical Kuchipudi dancer.
Yes.
Did you hear me? I'm Vijay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, Vijay Shankar from the media, and I'm a Kuchipudi dancer as well.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm a great fan of yours as well.
Thank you.
The basic idea is really wonderful, reaching out maximum people through dance, because
Yes.
as you said, it gives a different type of happiness. It's only dancers can understand and not others.
Right.
You know, but just by watching dance, how much can one learn? Because you need a guru. You know, just watching, I myself have been learning, and you know, the process is always. You be a
Yes.
student all your life. And
You know, the
still
process never ends.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you're a dancer, the process never ends.
Yeah.
Even if you have a guru right in front of you telling you what to do,
Yes.
the process never ends. It has to keep growing.
Yeah.
And we do have choreographers who will take a look at the uploaded videos.
Yeah.
They will give their comments so that they can improve on those particular things.
Huh.
If they want, they can improve that and upload their videos again.
Mhm.
So the process goes on,
Okay.
you know, just like in a classroom.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
one other comment to make. It's a very good question that you asked. This by no means replaces an academy. In fact, what it does is it allows that academy to scale and share the knowledge base which they have. So all 4,500 institutes in India will hopefully come together under one house and basically join hands and say, we can teach everyone. The idea is to increase the passion and use dance as a metaphor for life. And so you're absolutely right that there's some things you can learn from video learning, some things you have to have a teacher to teach you physically. But the idea is this links all of that together under one roof and almost becomes a means for you to find the best teaching anywhere and bring the standards to a certain level and create something which is very different for all of us.
Okay, hi, good afternoon, Dr. Nene. This is Faridun Sharia from BOLLYWOOD.com. We just saw you dancing a bit as well in the video out there. So since the time you married Ms. Madhuri Dixit, how much have you improved as a dancer? How much have you learned from her, per se? And since you're launching it, this version 2 today, considering it is her birthday day after tomorrow, so is this your way of wishing her happy birthday?
So to the last question, absolutely. This is the biggest present she could ever have. And I want you to remember that. I could get out of trouble. To the first question, though, I've always been a fan of art and culture and movement. And I think one thing I learned along this journey, I have to admit, I can dance, but I'm not a professional by any means. And all of these guys here put me to shame. I mean, they're so beautiful.
I'm a Kuchipudi dancer as well.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm a great fan of yours as well.
Thank you.
The basic idea is really wonderful, reaching out maximum people through dance, because
Yes.
as you said, it gives a different type of happiness. It's only dancers can understand and not others.
Right.
You know, but just by watching dance, how much can one learn? Because you need a guru. You know, just watching, I myself have been learning, and you know, the process is always. You be a
Yes.
student all your life. And
You know, the
still
process never ends.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you're a dancer, the process never ends.
Yeah.
Even if you have a guru right in front of you telling you what to do,
Yes.
the process never ends. It has to keep growing.
Yeah.
And we do have choreographers who will take a look at the uploaded videos.
Yeah.
They will give their comments so that they can improve on those particular things.
Huh.
If they want, they can improve that and upload their videos again. So
Mhm.
the process goes on,
Okay.
you know, just like in a classroom.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
one other comment to make. It's a very good question that you asked. This by no means replaces an academy. In fact, what it does is it allows that academy to scale and share the knowledge base which they have. So all 4,500 institutes in India will hopefully come together under one house and basically join hands and say, we can teach everyone. The idea is to increase the passion and use dance as a metaphor for life. And so you're absolutely right that there's some things you can learn from video learning, some things you have to have a teacher to teach you physically. But the idea is this links all of that together under one roof and almost becomes a means for you to find the best teaching anywhere and bring the standards to a certain level and create something which is very different for all of us.
Okay, hi, good afternoon, Dr. Nene. This is Faridun Sharia from BOLLYWOOD.com. We just saw you dancing a bit as well in the video out there. So since the time you married Ms. Madhuri Dixit, how much have you improved as a dancer? How much have you learned from her, per se? And since you're launching it, this version 2 today, considering it is her birthday day after tomorrow, so is this your way of wishing her happy birthday?
So to the last question, absolutely. This is the biggest present she could ever have. And I want you to remember that. I could get out of trouble. To the first question, though, I've always been a fan of art and culture and movement. And I think one thing I learned along this journey, I have to admit, I can dance, but I'm not a professional by any means, and all of these guys here put me to shame. I mean, they're so beautiful in their grace and whatnot. I have been known at the parties, though, to shake a leg. And
I have to tell you that Farah Khan said, next time he's going to be my dance partner. So.
And little did she know that in the background, my buddies here were all training me on how not to look like an ignoramus. It's funny you should mention that we have a section in there called Matt's Minutes, which was my baby. I fully admit that. And it's for the guy who has 2 left feet, is waiting in line to get into a club, and knows he's going to look like a fool. In 1 minute, they can teach you 1 step and make you look good. And so,
make you look cool when you walk in. You know, at least 1 step to do.
and so it's a lot of fun. And, you know, I did that not because I'm anything special in dance. I'm the first to admit that. I'm very humble. But at the same time, if I can do it, who can't, right? I mean, that's, I don't know, that's your call.
I'll have to tell you that. Because I think it's improved a lot. Yeah. मैं बहुत नचाती हूँ उन्हें. Any other questions? Oh, are we done?
Any other questions?
माधुरी, आपसे सवाल है कि आपने कई वर्षों से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को देखा है. करण जौहर जैसे डायरेक्टर्स हैं, यशराज जैसे डायरेक्टर्स हैं, एक अलग बाहर से लोग आते हैं, अनुराग कश्यप जैसे लोग, विशाल भारद्वाज जैसे लोग एक नया रिमार्क खड़ा कर रहे हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पे. तो आपका क्या टेक है इस पे? कितना एक नया रिमार्क ट्रेंड अलग सेट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस ट्रेंड के बारे में?
नहीं, अच्छा है, अलग अलग तरह की फिल्म बननी चाहिए. इट्स आर्ट. एक ही तरह से फिल्म बन सकती है या एक ही तरह से एक स्टेप हो सकती है, ऐसा नहीं है. अलग अलग तरह से एक स्टेप हो सकती है और अलग अलग एक्सप्रेशंस हो सकते हैं उसके लिए. तो ये तो अच्छा है कि अलग अलग फिल्म्स बन रही हैं और हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है, सब आर्टिस्ट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
हेलो मैम. हेलो सर. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि एक्चुअली मैं बहुत पीछे जाके पूछ रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि संजय लीला भानुशाली के बारे में आप ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ है जो आप मानते हो, जैसे कि आपने उनके साथ देवदास में काम कर चुके हो?
उनकी क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं आप पूछ रहे हैं? संजय लीला भंसाली जी की क्वालिटीज़ क्या हैं?
हाँ जी.
अच्छा, नहीं, एक तो 2 डायरेक्टर्स हैं जिनके साथ काम किया मैंने, जिनका म्यूज़िक सेंस, स्पेशली इंडियन म्यूज़िक जहाँ कंसर्न है, फैंटास्टिक. एक है सुभाष जी जो यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, फैंटास्टिक सेंस ऑफ म्यूज़िक, और अनदर वन इज संजय लीला भंसाली. तो दोनों ही बहुत अच्छा गाने भी रिकॉर्ड करते हैं और पिक्चराइजेशंस इज ट्रेमेंडस ऑन बोथ ऑफ देम. सो आई थिंक दे आर द बेस्ट.
Okay, I think
Madhuri,
I'm so sorry. I'll have to request all of you to please keep your questions only related to Dance with Madhuri. Thank you.
माधुरी जी, आपने बहुत सारे हमें यादगार गाने दिए हैं, you know, lovely dance moves. Which song was the toughest for you so far? कौन सा एक गाना है, you know, जिसको करते हुए?
एक गाना सरोज जी के साथ मैंने किया था और वो है हमको आजकल है इंतज़ार, क्योंकि उसमें मैं गा नहीं रही हूँ, सिर्फ एक्सप्रेस करना था. और सरोज जी के एक्सप्रेशंस, मतलब जब वो एक्सप्रेस करती है तो ऐसे आंखें बड़ी बड़ी रह जाती है, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू इमिटेट दैट एंड रिक्रिएट. तो मुझे लगता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट सॉन्ग रहा मेरे लिए.
और माधुरी जी, बर्थडे है आपका, तो हाउ डू यू प्लान टू सेलिब्रेट इट?
यही बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टुडे. और यही अपॉर्चुनिटी मैं लेना चाहूँगी, मेरे सब कोरियोग्राफर्स को थैंक करना चाहूँगी, कृति, नमिता, देवांशी, देयर इज दीपक, देयर इज मैं नाम भी भूल रही हूँ अभी, निशान, देयर इज सावियो, देयर इज सलमान, देयर इज Bertie, there is so many, Shampa, everybody who has taught. Thank you so much. You've been so great. Really, without their support and their thing, it would not have been possible. They are the greatest and they do it so well. And I'm so glad that people can learn from them. So, thank you very much.
Madhuri ji, on your left. Madhuri ji, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि इस ऐप के जरिए आप अपने फैन के और भी करीब हो जाएंगी और उन्हें सिखाने का और मौका मिलेगा. लेकिन कुछ एक सालों पहले आपने एक फिल्म की थी, दिल तो पागल है, तो सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पे लोग ऐसा जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या इस तरह की फिल्में माधुरी जी फिर से हमें देखने को मिलेगी डांस रिलेटेड
म्यूजिकल्स बन रही है, अभी रेमो बना रहा है, रेमो खुद कोरियोग्राफर हैं, अब डायरेक्टर हो गए हैं, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू हिम। वो ABCD 2 बना रहे हैं अभी, विच इज़ फैंटास्टिक। ABCD 1 डिड फैंटास्टिक बिजनेस, ये 3D में है, सो आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट फिल्म। दैट्स ऑल्सो अ डांस बेस्ड फिल्म। बोले हीरोइनों को बहुत नचा लिया, अब हीरोज को थोड़ा नाचने दो तो उनको भी अभी नचा रहे हैं। लेकिन वी हैव सो मेनी डांसिंग स्टार्स पहले से, और जैसे ऋतिक रोशन है, शाहिद कपूर है, ऑल ऑफ देम दे आर वंडरफुल डांसर्स। और यू नो फिल्म मेकर्स वांट टू शो दैट ऑफ ऑन स्क्रीन, क्योंकि लोग, हमारे इंडिया में कल्चर ऐसा है कि डांस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हर फेस्टिवल में, हर घर में कोई भी फंक्शन हो, डांस तो होता ही है, संगीत होता है शादियों में। तो मुझे लगता है कि उसका एडवांटेज लेना चाहते हैं, वो दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हमारे हीरोज़ भी डांस कर सकते हैं और कैसे अच्छा कर सकते हैं। फेमिनिन साइड क्यों? लड़के मैस्कुलिन स्टेप्स करते हैं, वो अपने स्टाइल में करते हैं, और लड़कियां अपने स्टाइल से करती हैं।
माधुरी,
Oh, he's so sweet. He is a wonderful, मतलब जैकी जी का बेटा, I mean that's without saying he has to be good. और बहुत अच्छा डांस करता है, और उसकी फर्स्ट फिल्म में भी उसने बहुत अच्छा डांस किया, हीरोपंती में। He is a superb fighter, dancer, everything, all rounder.
हेलो माधुरी, I have
पहली स्टाइल जो मैंने डांस में सीखी है कथक है, विच इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट, और वो मैं स्टाइल बहुत एंजॉय करती हूँ कथक करना, क्योंकि मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर आप कोई भी इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस सीखते हैं तो आप वर्ल्ड की कोई भी स्टाइल में डांस कर सकते हैं।
Madhuri, I have a question. It's regarding the app itself. I found a section called jobs there. It's probably going to be something like a classified. I want to know who exactly will be posting opportunities there, and how are they going to seek? I mean, are you supposed to post there that, yeah, I'm available for this section?
I will
How's
let
that going to work?
I'll let Dr.
So I can
Nene
answer that one. Excellent question. The whole idea is to create a marketplace. As you learn and you create your artist profile, you create a video resume of yourself. And this is going out to 206 countries, so we're finding talent where it lives. Then when Yeshraj needs 100 dancers, they just put a LinkedIn-type post on that job profile. And what they've done is they've disrupted the whole open audition profile. And what they've done, essentially, is they've found talent from where it lives. So now imagine for a boy in Patna or a girl in Patna who has no access to come to Mumbai or do all of this stuff. Not only can they learn, but they can take those skills and articulate them into a potential job, and they can actually become discovered. Similarly, for institutes, it's the same thing. They can hire people, they can show off their stuff, and it becomes a way for them to broadcast. I think you've seen Zomato, right? It's such an excellent way of kind of showcasing restaurants and things like that. This becomes something similar in that it shows off what each institute can do and who's doing it. And the idea is it's free, right? For the user and for the institutes and all that, they get a platform where they no longer need websites. And then for the, you've seen Zomato, right? It's such an excellent way of kind of showcasing restaurants and things like that. This becomes something similar in that it shows off what each institute can do and who's doing it. And the idea is it's free, right? For the user and for the institutes and all that, they get a platform where they no longer need websites. And then for the studios, for event performances, we even have a shadi profile that if you're having a shadi and you need a choreographer, we can help you. And our role is not to have these in-house. In fact, what we're doing is taking all of the institutes and all of the choreographers and helping them to get jobs. And so we are an aggregator, and what we try to do is bring it there. So to your answer, or to your question, anyone can post them in a LinkedIn-style format, And the bottom line is it will open up the whole interface and we'll find genius where it lives.
Ma'am,
We will have 2 more questions and then close the Q&A.
excuse me, ma'am.
News to me. That is news to me.
Sorry, can you keep your
I
question to
don't
Dance
know.
with Madhuri
Excuse me?
only?
I don't know.
Ma'am, ma'am, how do you manage your time for dancing between your kids and acting work and other?
Well, whenever I get time, I dance. That's what I do. थोड़ा भी वक्त मिलेगा तो मैं या तो कथक की रिहर्सल करूँगी या if I'm doing shows then I'm dancing, rehearsing for the shows. So I keep myself dancing all the time.
And ma'am, one last question. Who is your favorite dancer in Bollywood?
My favorite dancers who I look up to were Vaijayanti Mala ji, Wahida ji, Helen ji. There was another very good artist called Kumkum Appa. She used to dance beautifully. So all these people who I have watched and learned a lot from.
मैम मेरा नाम अरिंदम है, मैं जी न्यूज़ और बंगाली चैनल 24 घंटा की तरफ से हूँ। मेरा सवाल ये था कि आपका कोई 2 सवाल है, कोई आपके प्लान्स है क्या कोलकाता में डांस एकेडमी खोलने का, और दूसरा ये था कि अभी बॉलीवुड में हमने काफ़ी देखा है कि पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस रहता है, तो अभी हाल
वो
ही
नहीं
में
करूँगी आंसर, मैं आपका पहला क्वेश्चन आंसर
आप सुन लीजिए ना, मतलब एज ए इंडस्ट्री आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है,
नहीं,
मतलब
मैं
आपका भी
कहती हूँ
कंसर्न है।
कलकत्ता में क्यों, मैं तो ऑनलाइन हूँ. So
नहीं,
I'm
मतलब
everywhere in the
physical,
world.
as a physical.
I'm sure there are a lot of people who are teaching there. Physical academies हैं. Of course, like Dr. Nene said, we are going to join hands with them और आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
और मेरा दूसरा सवाल था कि हाल ही में शिवसेना ने एक कुछ डिक्टेट दिया है कि मतलब
Let's not discuss politics here. We are discussing dance और उसमें politics के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है.
Okay, now I think the Q&A session, we will close it with this.
Thank you so much.
So we can do more individual questions
Yeah, later.
afterwards.
we can do
फिटनेस
it.
मंत्रा का राज बता दीजिए आपका।
Thank you. Thank you.
So hang on, before you leave, now the fun starts, all right? We have a couple of interactions which you absolutely have to see. So we launched a contest on the portal to find the best dancers. And in 3 days, we got over 60 videos uploaded. And we were amazed, and it was hard to find the top 3. So I'd like to announce the winners.
Okay, we have the 3 winners.
volunteers from the media. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have Madhuri teach you how to dance and share a couple of steps. Who are those brave individuals out there? कौन है?
आइए आइए please.
चलो,
आइए.
एक है, 3 लोग चाहिए.
We need one more. Yes, please come.
Come on, come on.
आ जाओ आ जाओ. अरे.
चलो ये चलो. ये चलो चलो.
जब आप लोग फोटो लेते हैं, माधुरी माधुरी माधुरी, अभी क्या हो गया? आओ.
No.
आओ चलो.
Have them dance as well.
All right, your names. कौन आए हैं? आप कहाँ गए वो?
Okay,
मास्टर
Rishi.
जी, आइए मास्टर जी. नमस्कार.
Aha! Look. And for everyone else.
अरे बाप रे. आप please now.
Cue the music.
I am Guru Vijay Shankar, Kuchipudi dancer and critic.
I'm Kinjal from Telechocker. Hi, I'm Priyanka from Act Facts.
This is Papri Dash from IndianTelevision.com.
Papida, welcome. So I'm going to teach them, all of you, a step. I'll take a simple song. I don't want to make it too complicated. For the guys, it'll be a little thing, but you know you can do it. It's Maini Mai, Mundeer pe teri bol raha hai kaga. So let's start. We'll start with घूंघट की तरह हाथ कीजिए. All of you. ऐसा लीजिए हाथ. फेस कीजिए. राइट पैर आगे. अब आपको सिर्फ बॉडी स्वे करनी है. जब मैं कहूँगी माइनी माई मुंडेर पे 2 बार. माइनी माई मुंडेर पे तेरी. अब आप सामने देखिए. बोल रहा है. लेफ्ट हैंड से आप कीजिए. कागा.
Okay, ma'am, we'll have to interrupt, but on public demand, we need Ghagra, please.
अच्छा, अगर कर सके तो फॉलो कीजिए.
Thank you.
ठीक है.
Congratulations to you, to Dr. Nene. I know how much of effort has gone into building this. One thing I would like Madhuri to teach everybody is body language in dance and expressions, which I think is so needed today. That would be amazing.
क्वालिटी होगी इस ऐप के अंदर और अगर जैसा कि हमने देखा कि अगर लोग डांस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ऐप के जरिए कई सारे स्टेप भी सीख जाए. इसके बारे में
जी हाँ, इससे हमने 3 इसमें हिस्सों में बांटा है. लर्न जहाँ आप सीख सकते हैं, मूव जहाँ आप अगर सीखना नहीं है डांस तो जस्ट एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए आप मूव यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और यूनाइट जहाँ सब आर्टिस्ट अपना प्रोफाइल बना सकते हैं इस वेबसाइट पे और अपने अपने बारे में बता सकते हैं, अपने अपने वीडियोस अपलोड कर सकते हैं. सो सब आर्टिस्ट मिलके एक दूसरे से बात भी कर सकते हैं, और यूनाइट में आपको मतलब जॉब पोस्टिंग्स भी आप कर सकते हैं.
माधुरी मैम, तुम्ही मराठी आणि लावणीबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं या ॲपद्वारे लावणी शिकवणार आहात?
सगळे स्टाईल्स आम्ही शिकवतोय सध्या. देर इज क्लासिकल, देर इज हिपहॉप, वेस्टर्न, इंडियन, फोकमध्ये लावणी पण आम्ही शिकू. सध्या नवरात्रीसाठी वगैरे आम्ही त्याच्यात गरबा वगैरे घातलेला आहे, आणि पुढे पुढे जसे वी प्रोग्रेस वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टाइल्स ऑन इट.
Ma'am, this question is to both of you. First, is it app free as it is available in Google Play? Is it free or is it chargeable? Second thing, is it user friendly as the video will be uploaded by the users? So how user friendly it will be from the masters? How soon we can get the reply from them? As from your busy schedule, like you will be busy in your shoots and also.
Well, we have choreographers who are doing that.
Yeah, so
तो choreographers करेंगे तो I think they will be quite prompt. I mean,
I'll take this question. The first thing is it's free forever. The app is free, the lessons are free, and our goal is to give everyone access to very high-level learning from the masters. The second question you had is it user-friendly? What we're trying to do is build a community, and you know, in dance, there's a Shisha-Guru relationship, and the idea is that not only do our choreographers grade you, but you can also like, you can follow, you can be followed. And that's very important in building a community. So what happens is I teach you, you teach someone else, they teach it. So what we're trying to do is bring everyone together. So it's not just the gurus, grading you. There is a version where you can ask for a professional evaluation. But in many cases, you may build a community where all of your followers are in the same realm. Maybe they're Bharatanatyam, maybe they're Kathak, whatnot. And they will all give you comments. So I would encourage you to download it. It's free on Android and iOS, and it will always be free. And then try it and tell us what you think.
So my question was, how soon will we get the reply from the choreographers? As a user, if I upload my questions, like if I'm facing any problem with my videos, the steps or anything. So if I ask a question to any choreographer or guru, okay, so how soon it will be? Like it will be a weekly basis reply back or a daily basis reply?
I think it depends on volume, but it's a tough question to ask. Because if we get 1 million uploads, then I think it'll be very hard. So for me to commit and say one thing, I don't think it would be accurate,
मैडम आपको इंस्पिरेशन किससे मिला कि ये आपको ऐप स्टार्ट करना और लोगों को मतलब टीच करना?
Well, मैं हमेशा जैसे मैंने कहा सोचती थी कि अगर मुझे इतने अच्छे गुरु से सीखने मिला है, मेरे पहले गुरु थे वसंतराव घाटगे, सरोज जी से सीखने मिला, महाराज जी से सीखने मिला, मैं सोचती थी अगर सिर्फ मुझे नहीं और लोगों को भी इन गुरुओं से सीखने मिले तो क्या बात हो, और ये कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे डांसर्स हैं जिन्हें पता नहीं है किन से सीखने जाना है, जो सिर्फ ड्रीम कर सकते कि कभी मैं एक दिन महाराज जी से, कभी मैं एक दिन सरोज जी से सीख पाऊँगा। तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए मैंने सोचा कि क्या कर सकते हैं, और तब हमने ये आइडिया किया।
आपको माधुरी कैसी पसंद है, एज एक्टर और एज अ डांसर?
What do you like most, as an actress or as a dancer?
I think it depends on the day.
Last question.
हो गया?